Hey friends, today I thought let's try to do a fun summer hairstyle of bubble braid. And I'm going to make mine with some Invisibobbles that I got on Amazon a while ago. These are what an Invisibobble is. I like them because they don't seem to catch my hair when I'm taking them out. And I really like them on my little daughter's hair, because they like to pull their ponytail holders out by themselves, and if they're not that careful when they're 2 years old and 3 years old, and they can snatch out a handful of hair if I put the wrong kind of ponytail holders in there. I try to help them do it, but I'm not always fast enough. So you see what I did? I just started by pinning or putting some of my hair up right here. Now I'm going to come right underneath and do the same thing. But we're going to incorporate the hair from the top ponytail. I hope that you are having a fun summer. I am. It's been really fun. We've been able to spend a lot of time outside in the backyard. Our garden is growing, and my gladiolas have started to bloom, and they are so beautiful. I just love gladiolas. The wind knocked one of them over, but that was okay. I just put it inside the house by my kitchen sink, and now I get to enjoy it there. So I have two. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this ponytail, make a little bit of a bubble. And now we'll do one more with the bottom section. See, it's just a very simple summer ponytail. I washed my hair this morning, so everything's nice and clean and fresh. I love, hair washing day. It's nice to have fresh, clean hair. And I'm pulling this one out to make that bubble. And then we get to move over our shoulder. So moving over our shoulder, just gonna make a little section right here. Yes, gladiolas are so beautiful, and I also have black-eyed Susans, which are native to the state that I live in. And boy, are they gorgeous. I had some daisies that lasted a few years. I planted them one year and then they came back the next year, but I think this winter it was too cold because they did not come back. And I was so disappointed because they were so beautiful. My husband got me some African daisy plants, but according to the label, they do not come back every year. I guess it just gets too cold in the wintertime. But that's okay. I can just plant some more next spring. So you see, I just put my ponytail holder in and then fluff out the hair. And now I'm adding my last one. And this is a fun braid that's not a braid. And if you use these Invisibobbles, you won't have to worry too much when it comes time to take your hair out. So that's always a major plus for any hairstyle that uses elastics or hair ties. So we'll step outside in the summer sun and give you a good look at this beautiful summertime braid that's not a braid, a bubble braid made with Invisibobbles. Try it out. Let me know in the comments if you do and if you like it. And I look forward to seeing you again the next time we get together and make a hairstyle for long hair. Bye!